Hello everyone. Today this video is about the Arduino simulator introduction. I will teach you how to use online simulator to do our Arduino work. And this is the part 2 video for beginners. If you are interested in more detail about Arduino, please watch the first video firstly. And this video will use English as the major language. If you would like to use Cantonese of 普通话 or 普通话, please click our channel and watch another 2 videos. And so let's get started. And last time we talked about Arduino is a robot. We can tell Arduino to do something, then Arduino would do something. And how to use Arduino is to add arms and legs, which means we need to connect components or using internal components on Arduino. Then we can use it just like a robot. Then in this video, we need to add 3 things. We need to tell 3 things to Arduino. First one is we need to tell Arduino what components we connect, which means if we connect a light bulb on Arduino, then we need to tell Arduino we connect a light bulb. The second one is that we need to tell Arduino that the component is input or output. In here, we can explain the input or output in this part firstly. Input means that the robot knows what we did. Here, this human would switch on or switch off the switch. And the Arduino would know what this human did. And this is the meaning of input. And in the output, which means the robot did something, such as the robot would turn on or turn off the light, or open the motors or close the motors. This decision is made by the robot. And this is the meaning of output. And the last thing is that we need to tell Arduino what the next step is. This part may be difficult for us to understand. So I would like to talk about this when we are using the simulator later. And here, I would introduce an online simulator for Arduino, which is Walkwo. This is a free Arduino online simulator for everyone. I would like to use it because there are a lot of components such as LED light bulb or servo motors. So we can use the simulator to watch our results firstly, simulator results firstly. So I would like to use it. And I will show you how to use this website. And firstly, we just copy it down, and so we can use it later. So the first step is go to our search engine. And here I use Google, or you can use another search engine. That's fine. That's okay. And here we need to search Walkwo. And click enter, or just click the search results. And here the website of Walkwo is the thing we need. So we just click into this website. And here we can see a few programming board And now we just using the simple one. So we just use Arduino. After click into the Arduino, this part, and we can see the project others do. So if you are interested, you can take a look in this interested project. And just roll down. And we can see we have 5 different box for our programming. For our toy design, we would like to use a smaller programming board for the suitable size in our toy. Therefore, we may use the Arduino Nano as our programming board. So we will use Arduino Nano and click here. And here we can see the left-hand side has some works here, and the right-hand side we have the graph of Arduino Nano. And last time I talked about that we need to give a command to Arduino. Then the Arduino will provide actions. And here, the work in the on the left-hand side is the command side, and the right-hand side is the action part for the simulator results we can see. So we can do our program here and read the results on the right-hand side. Before our program, let me just paste the thing I just copied before. And if the word is black, and then we need to make it to become comment firstly, so we can so the code will not be affected by this word. If we would like to make it to become comment, we need to add double slash here to make it to become comment. It changed to be grade here. Just comment this 4 line. Okay, then we can start our programming on Arduino. And just follow the step is that firstly, we need to add arms and legs. And here we just do a simple example is blinking, which means we open the LED in few seconds and close the LED in a few seconds. And to do this work, we only need 1 more LEDs and an Arduino board, and we can do our project. So here we need to press the blue button firstly and add a new part. And here we can see a lot of components here, and I will explain this later. And this time we only need to use LED here. And after click it, and we can get 1 LED. And here we can choose the color of the LED here. And this time we just use the red LED. It's okay. If you remember, the Arduino would replace the character of the battery box. So we need to connect the positive to the pins here, and connect the negative pins of LED to GND, ground. So just like the normal circuit, we need to connect it. And here in the LED, A means the positive leg, and C means the negative leg. How to wire the wire to the Arduino? is that we need to click the legs on the LED firstly. And then we get a wire here. If you would like to do a turn, then just click it one more time. Then connect it to the pin we would like to use. And this time, because it's a simple project, so we would like to connect it to two D2 pins. And we connect the C to the negative. So we need to connect to ground here. And this wire may be difficult for us to read. Therefore, we may use red color, which means the positive leg of LED, and use the black wire as the negative part of the LED. Then we finish the connection part. And the next step is that we need to tell Arduino what components we connect. Here, we would use one sentence is define. Just press a shift 3 to get the define word. And here we can see the name and value here. And here we need to change the name to be the components we have. Here we have a LED here. So we would like to change the name to become LED. Or other names you would like. But remember, just use the same name in the below part. And then the values means that the pins we connected. And here, because this LED connects to D2 pins on Arduino, so we need to change it, the value to become 2. And then we finish tell the Arduino what components we connected. And the first step is tell the Arduino that the component is input or output. Here, the LED would turn on or turn off, depended on the decision of Arduino. Therefore, this is a output components. So we can write it, the LED is the output components. And we need to write a new sentence is that we define the pin and then add mode. And then we need to write down the component names here. LED firstly. And then make a comma here. And then we could choose input pull up, or output. And LED is an output component. Therefore, we would press output here. Okay, we finished this sentence. After finish one sentence, we always need to remember to add a semicolon at the end. And then we finish to tell Arduino whether the component is input or output. Then the last step is that we need to tell Arduino that what the next step is. So we would like to turn on the LED for a few seconds and turn off the LED for a few seconds. Hence, we would use a new sentence as digital write, and you press DIG, and then you can find the digital write here. Digital write means that whether we turn on or turn off the components. We have 2 cases only. Therefore, we need to write down the name, the name of the component we want to control. Here is LED. We would like to turn on the LED. Therefore, you write down the name LED and then press comma. And then we can choose high, which means the turn on the components, and low is turn off the LED. And firstly, we need to turn on the LED. And then we can just copy this sentence and change it to become low. And then we turn on and turn off the LED. Here we can firstly try is this work or not. So press this green button to start the simulator. And here we can see the light bulb will always turn on. Why would it happen? Because we do not add a delay time here. We didn't tell the turn on time of the LED to Arduino, and the turn off time of LED to Arduino. Hence, we need to add a new sentence. Is that delay, and put the number here. And in here, please careful. Here, 100 means millisecond ms, which means that it's equals to 1 second. If you would like to delay 10 seconds, then you need to write 10 times 1000 millisecond. Therefore, become 10,000. And then because this is a simple project, we just use 1 second. It's okay. And then we just copy this down and then put it below to tell the Arduino that we open the LED for 1 second and turn off the LED for 1 second. So we can click this green buttons again to check is this right or not. Here we finish our blinking project, and then let's check the 4 steps. Number 1, we just add arms and legs. We just connect the positive pin of the LED to the positive, and negative pin connect to the ground. And this is correct. The first step is correct. And then in the second step, we just tell Arduino what components we connect. We connect the LED. So the second step is correct also. The third one is tell the Arduino the component is input or output. We define the LED is the output. So we already finished our define. And in the last step, we tell the Arduino what next step is to do. Turn on the LED for 1 second and turn off the LED for 1 second. And that's the end of this project. It's hoped that this project could help you to understand how to program and start your Arduino project. And in the next video, I will talk about what is the meaning of digital write, analog write, and the usage of button. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe this channel. And thank you very much, and hope this video could help you to understand more about Arduino and how to make the toys.